Hello guys, I welcome you back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can make quick money with this app. Okay guys, so just follow me. Now you come down to this app. Can you see this app? GMG. Okay guys, so from there you click on it like this. You allow it to pump up. Okay, so I just download it now. So I will sign in now with my this. Let me pause this video and sign in first. Okay, let me log in now. All right, guys, this is the app. As you can see, this app now is latest in town. This one is latest in town now. How can you make money with this app? Firstly, let me first make an explanation concerning this area. Okay, look at the company. This is the company corporate overview. Can you see that? So when you get to this app, you can come and read this. They are involved in estate agents, and then they also involved in many things here. Okay guys, so aside from that, let me go back again. So how can you make money with this app? As you can see, this place, this is recharge. You have to recharge here, that is you deposit. Okay, so how can you deposit? When you deposit, for instance, now if you deposit 2,000 naira, can you see this one? When you deposit 2,000 naira, that is meant you invest with them. Okay, immediately you invest with them. Every 24 hours in a day, you will be collecting 500 naira. Okay, so in 8 days, your 2,000 naira will comes back. Okay, so aside from this one, if you don't want to invest 2,000 naira, if you want to invest 4,000 naira, as you can see here, so 4,000 naira, you will be collecting 1,000 naira every day, every 24 hours. And then you can withdraw this money every day. You invest it. Okay, so that is what you will be doing, and then 8,000 naira upward like that. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'm going to deposit 4,000 naira now, so that you know how to go ahead of it if you want to start your own. Okay guys, for instance, now if I want to deposit now, I will come down to this recharge here. Okay, so you just have to click on it like this. So when you click on it like this, you will choose 4,000 naira here, and you click recharge. So you allow it to pump up. So as you can see here, so this is the bank transfer, and then account number and the bank name, that is Wema Alert, account name, retired this thing. So what you need to do now is to go and pay this money. Okay, so you go and pay this money, you transfer the money to this, and you come back to come and click I have paid. Okay, you come back here to click I have paid. Do you see now? So you allow me now to go back to pay this money and come back here again. So let me pause this video and go and pay the money first. Okay, so you will copy the account number. So I've copied the account number. Can you see now? So let me now pause it. So I have come back to my PalmPay here. As you can see here, this is my PalmPay. So I want to pay the money now. So I will come down to this place and then insert the account number, the one I copy, and then I will select the bank. Okay, so the bank is Wema Bank Alert. Okay, Wema Bank Alert. So I will select the bank now. So let me search for the Wema Bank W. Okay, no, let me search. Okay, so let me search for the account, so that you will know exactly what I'm doing here. Okay, let me pause it and look for it first. So here, as you can see here now, this is the name. After you copy the account number from the site and you come down to your app, bank app, so You get there. As you can see the name here, you can see the name is Reality here. Reality MFB through Commerce Limited. So you click next. As you can see, the name is corresponding with the name here. Let me show you very well so that you'll be able to see. As you can see, the name is very corresponding with this one. Can you see that? So it's corresponding here. So the next thing to do is to go back here and confirm. So you pay the money here. I paid next. So you pay the money directly. So it's loading. So as you can see, the money has already paid successfully to the site. Okay, so this is how you do it, and then you go back to the app again. So you come down to this app. So this one is loading here. So it's loading. They want to confirm if the payment is already in. So let me pause this video so that you'll be able to see. So without, so the money has comes in now. To confirm the money, so you come down to this area. You come down to this area. Do you see this place? Let me show you very well. Do you see that side? So that is where you come. This mine, you just have to click it like this. Okay guys, so as you can see here, this is the money, the 4,000 naira we paid. That is the 4,000 naira we paid, and then we have been given 200 naira. That is the bonus. Okay, so after this one now, what you need to do immediately, you open this app. Don't forget that you come down here, you come and set your with account number withdrawal, so that if you want to withdraw this, you have to put your account number, everything on this place. Okay, so let me do it for you so that for better understanding. First thing here is to come down to this area. Just come to this place. So you have to click it like this. So when you click it, you can see my own. I've already placed my own there. My own is there already. So if I want to withdraw, so this is where, this is the account number they will direct my money to directly. Okay, so let me leave there now and go. So I will now go back to home to go and invest. After I have deposited 4,000 naira, I'll go back to home. So this is the home now. So you can see all this is the investment. You can see 2,000 naira, 4,000 naira, 8,000 naira, 15,000 naira, 30,000 naira, 70,000, 150,000, etc. Okay, so the one we did, you know that we pay 4,000 naira. So you now come down to this place. Do you see that? So you click on invest. Do you see the money is there now? So just confirm the investment. So you have to confirm it. Okay, you have to confirm it. Just confirm it like this. Okay, you can see you have purchased aluminum. Okay, automatically the money has gone for investment. So every day after 24 hours now, you now start receiving 1,000 naira every day. 1,000 every day for 30 days. Okay guys, so that is how you invest on this money. The higher the money, when you invest 8,000, don't forget that one is 2,000 naira every day. If you invest 15,000, that is 3,750 every day. So that is the plan. Okay, so for the purpose of this lecture, so I did 4,000 naira because I have done 15,000 naira on my second line. So I'm using this one for the tutorial. Okay guys, so in the next 24 hours now, I'm going to withdraw 1,000 naira. Another 24 hours I will withdraw 24,000. I'll be 1,000 naira another 24 hours. So with 30 days. So that is how you can make money with this app. Okay guys, so if you find this tutorial useful, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and you stay tuned for my next video. Peace.